Hey guys, today let's try to fix the Copilot option missing on Windows 11. So if you guys can't see the Copilot on your Windows 11 PCs, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to have this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order to actually have this feature on our device is to double check if we have the latest version of Windows. So you can easily go ahead and search for Windows Update on your search bars over here and search for Windows Update. Now double check if you have the latest version of Windows, and if you are up to date, pretty good. And if you aren't, go ahead and update your applications or your Windows software to the latest version so that you're going to have the latest features on your device. Now once this is done, in order for us to enable this option, all we need to do is to right click on our screens, tap on Personalize, and then tap on over here onto the taskbar, and then actually see if we have the Copilot available on the checkboxes over here. If you cannot necessarily see the specific search boxes available over here, this only means that the Copilot is not available on the taskbar, but rather it's available on Microsoft Edge. So if you double check and launch Microsoft Edge, it will be available on there, but we actually have two options to do so. One is access Microsoft Edge, and one is access Copilot right here with Bing. So if you have Bing chat also enabled on your device, we actually have it directly on our Windows buttons over here. Just by tapping on Windows search, we will have this Bing AI available here. When we tap on it, of course, we will be redirected to Microsoft Edge again, but you could also go ahead and do that by launching Microsoft Edge and it will do the same. So from here, when you launch Microsoft Edge, you could actually access two AI softwares over here. One is, of course, Bing AI Chat, which is actually powered by GPT-4 rather than the normal GPT 3.5 from ChatGPT. Now, over here on to the top right corner, we actually have Microsoft Copilot available for us to utilize, and that is how we could actually locate where Microsoft Copilot is if it is not on your desktop. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.